Transcribing YouTube videos is really easy. You can use it for any good purpose, like you want to get an idea about making videos yourself. So, to transcript a YouTube video, you need to select the video first, then play it for 1 to 2 minutes like I'm doing. Then pause it and click here. Then click Show Transcript. And wait a few seconds. You'll see the transcript appeared on the right. See, all the sentences he told in the video are here. Now the problem is the time-lapse showing with the sentences. Before removing these, here's a tip. Click on the time and you'll redirect to the time you selected in the video. Okay, now to remove the time-lapse, click here and click Toggle Timestamps. See? All the timestamps gone, and this is a fresh transcript. Now you can open a notepad, copy and paste all here. Hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative and useful videos.